Sun. Sun. Moon. Moon. Show me moon. 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 Sun ya Malik. Sun. Moon. Moon يا آسر. Yes, bravo. Bravo everybody. Moon. Sun. Moon. Moon. Sun. Sun. Moon. Okay, sun. And that's it. So why did I start with this game? Do you know what our lesson is about? Who checked the videos? Who checked the PowerPoint? Ruqayya, raise her hand. Yes, ya Ruqa, go ahead. What's our lesson about?
About moon and sun.
Excellent. Thank you, Ruqa. So Ruqa has read the lesson. Thank you, Ruqayya. Now I'm going to share a PowerPoint presentation. Do you see it, Ruqayya Wasim Taimur? Thumbs up if you see the PowerPoint presentation. Yes, this is lesson Unit 8, Lesson 1. What can we see in the sky? I'm gonna ask while I'm explaining, and if you know the answer, raise your hand to me. So, the vocab words for this lesson are sun, as we said, moon, star, magnify, and telescope. Observe this picture. It's saying good morning. Good morning, sunshine. So, what can we see in the sky in the morning? What can we see? Observe this picture and tell me what you can see in this picture in the morning. Yes, Malik? I unmuted you, Malik. Go ahead. What do you see, Malik?
A sun.
Huh? Yes?
A sun.
A sun? And what else, ya Malik? Sun and what else? Bravo.
A sun.
Sun and? What else, ya Malik? Only sun? What do you see in the sky?
And cloud.
Clouds. Excellent, Malik. Do you see any stars?
And cloud.
And clouds. All right. Thank you, Malik. Bravo. Good job, Malik. He said, I can see the sun and clouds in the morning. That's perfect. So what's sun? Sun is a star. Sun is a big star. It's very close, or it's the closest one to the earth. It's an object in the sky that gives off its own light. What does the sun do for us? Who knows the answer? What does the sun do? Is the sun important? If you know, raise your hand. Is the sun important? Raise your hand if you know the answer. Huh? I'm gonna choose. Okay, Farida Mahmoud. Why is sun important?
To make to do for us light.
Light, bro. It gives us light. And what else? What else, Farida? Only light? When we are in the winter, we always look for the sun to give us what?
Light, so we can.
Light. And what else? When it's cold, you want a sunny place so that the sun gives us what? Gives us what? Yes? Who knows? Farida, do you hear me? Okay, who else? What else the sun gives us? All right. Rahim wants to answer. Yes, Rahim. Rahim, I unmuted you. Yes, go ahead. What does the sun give us? Huh? I unmuted you, ya Rahim. Go ahead. What does the sun give us? Rahim, stop muting yourself, okay? I'm just unmuting you. Do not click on anything, okay? I will unmute you, ya Rahim. I don't know, there is a problem here. Rahim, do you hear me? Rahim, I'll get back to you. I'm gonna choose somebody else and get back to you. Farida Ahmed. Yes, Farida Ahmed. What does the sun give us?
Sunlight, and we could see when we go to the car and go to any place.
And what about in the winter? You keep looking for a sunny place to keep us
Safe.
Safe?
Safe.
When it's
No
cold.
shelter.
When it's cold, you want the sun to give you what? You want a sunny place to feel what?
To be warm.
Warm, bravo, to keep us warm or to give us heat. Thank you, Farida. So as Farida said, it gives us light and heat. Yes. All right. The sun is a star. Let's move on to another point. All right. So as you see in this picture, the sun is a star which is close to the earth, closest one to the earth. I want you to observe this picture. Is it in the morning or at night? What do you think? We talked about sun. Let's talk about the moon. Where do you see? When do you see the moon? Raise your hand if you know the answer. I can see that a lot of you have raised their hands. Yusuf. Yes, go ahead, Yusuf.
At night.
At night? Yes, thank you so much. Thank you, Yusuf. We see it at night, but if you observe this picture, you will see that there is a moon that you can see in the morning. Sometimes you can see it in the morning. And I'm sure that some of you have seen it in the morning while you were going to the school. You've observed a moon. It's not that clear because it's in the morning, but sometimes you can see it in the morning for some few minutes, and then then it goes and you can see the sun. So when you can see the moon, you can see it at night and sometimes in the day. Let's move on. Let's observe the sky at night. What do you see at night? Raise your hand if you know the answer. What do you see in the sky at night? Esser? Esser? Yes. What do you see, Esser?
I see moon.
Moon. Excellent. And what else? And stars. Excellent. Esther. Thank you, Esther. Like what Esther said, you can see in the sky at night, you can see the moon and the stars. Are the stars lining up? Can you see one line for stars? Line. Are they lining up? Are they lining up? Lara? Are they lining up, ya Lara?
No.
No, they are not. Is there, ya Lara, an equal space between the stars?
No.
No, the space is not equal between the stars, or it's not even. Even means equal. So the space is not equal. The space between the stars is not even. So the stars are not evenly spaced. The stars are not evenly spaced. They are scattered in the sky. Thank you, Laura. And can we count the stars? Murad, can we count the stars? Can you count the stars? In a real sky, not in the picture. At night, when you observe the sky, can you count the stars? Yes or no, Murad?
Yeah.
Yes? Not in the picture, dear. In real life, when you're observing a real sky, can you count the stars?
Yes.
Yes, you can count every star in the sky. Let's see, huh? Murad, not in the picture, dear. I'm talking about real sky. Can you count the stars in real sky?
Yeah.
Yes. Uh-oh, so how many did you find? How many? 100? No, Murad, you're kidding. So who else wants to answer this question? Khadija, can you count the stars?
The story.
Yeah? Not in this
Okay.
picture. At night, when you are in the balcony, when you are at night from your window and you observe the sky, can you count the real number of stars?
I see one only.
You see one only?
I see. Yeah.
All right. So there are a lot, and you can never count them. You will never count the stars. Okay? There are many stars that you can never count all of them. At night, I want you today at night to observe the sky and see the moon and see the stars. Actually, we won't be able to see the moon because we're in the beginning of a new month. But at night, I want you to observe the sky and see the stars. Okay? So, as we said, you can see many things or many stars at night, and this is the beautiful moon. Moon is like a ball, right? But it does not give off its own light. The moon is a rock. Can a rock give light? Yeah, Yasin? Yasin raised his hand. Yasin, can a rock
Yeah.
can a rock give light? Give off light? A rock?
No.
No. Moon is a very big rock. It's like a, does it look like a box or a bowl, ya Yasin?
Ball.
It's like a ball and it's a rock and it does not give off its own light. Thank you, Yasin. And as we said, the stars are not evenly spaced in the sky. The stars are not in lines. They are not lining up like you guys. When we were in the school, you were lining up, but the stars do not line up. There is not an equal space between them. They are not evenly spaced. Malika, I'm gonna unmute you to ask you a question. Sorry. Malika.
Okay.
Malika,
Yes.
is there an even space between stars?
No.
Even means, bravo, even means?
Even means that the even like it's okay.
Even means equal. Even means
Equal.
like when there is a competition between Malika, for example, and Kenzie, and both of them scored 2 points. So I can say that Malika and Kenzie are even. It means they have the same score, equal score. But the stars are not evenly spaced because the space, as Malika said, is not equal between the stars. I want you to observe this picture and I will choose. I'm trying to choose all of you. Just let me check. All right. Observe this picture. What is in this picture? What's this? Who knows this tool? Raise your hand. I will see who raised their hand. All right. I will choose. I'm gonna check. All right. I will choose. Raise your hand if you know the answer. What's this tool? Omar. Yes, Omar. What's this tool, ya Omar?
What?
What's this tool that you see? The things that you see in the picture. What's this?
The moon. Telescope.
A telescope. Bravo. Thank you, Omar. A telescope. How do scientists study about stars and the moon? They study stars and moons using a tool that makes the moon and the stars bigger. To make something bigger and bigger, this is called magnify. This is called magnify. So magnify means to make something look bigger, like this tool, like the telescope. The telescope is a tool. Tool means something that helps us see the stars and the moon bigger, which means it magnifies things in the sky. Right. I'm gonna show you a picture and raise your hand if you know the answer. What do you see in the two pictures? Sun or moon? Sun or moon? Zain. Zain. Sun or moon, ya Zain? I unmuted you, ya Zain. What do you see, sun or moon, ya Zain? Zain? Zain, do you hear me? Ya Zain? Okay, Zain, I want you to be here to answer. Lana, what do you see, sun or moon, ya Lana? Lana, I like your hairband. It's so cute. It's very cute, ya Lana. Yes, Lana, what do you see in the picture? Sun or moon?
Moon.
Moon, bravo. Lana, one of them is a picture of a moon with a telescope. What do you think? Is this the first one or the second one? Which one shows? Lana, please stop eating. We are in a class. All right? So what you see in these pictures? You said the moon. One of the pictures shows the moon with a telescope. We said telescope make things what, ya Lana? Bigger or smaller? Lana? Say, telescope makes things bigger or smaller? Stop eating, ya Lana. Bigger or smaller, ya Lana?
Bigger.
Bigger, excellent. It magnifies things. So what do you think? Which picture shows a moon using a telescope? The first one that shows sea or the second one? Which one is a moon with a telescope?
This one.
Which one, with the sea or without the sea? Lana, I'll get back to you when you stop eating. No, yeah, Lana, I'm really upset. I kept on telling you stop eating and you're still eating. I'm gonna choose somebody else. I'm gonna choose Salim Muhammad. Salim Muhammad. Go ahead, Salim Muhammad. Which one? The one with the sea or the other one?
The one with the sea.
With the sea is seen by a telescope. So which moon is bigger, ya Salim? In the pictures, the one with the sea or the other one? Salim, we said that a telescope makes things look bigger. So when I see a very big moon, I can tell that the picture is seen through a telescope. So which one, ya Salim Taimur, is bigger? Because I'm using a telescope. I'm using a telescope. So I can see which picture with the big moon, ya Salim Taimur. Yeah, sorry, Yasin Muhammad. Salim, are you still here? What happened? Where are you? Like, who knows the answer? Raise your hand if you know the answer. Yazin? Yazin?
Yeah.
Yes, I'm using a telescope. Which picture will I see? The one with the sea and small moon or the big moon?
The big moon.
Excellent, the big moon. This one, guys, I'm pointing at it. The big one. Bravo, ya Yazin. The big one, because the telescope magnifies things. It means it makes things bigger. It makes things bigger. Bravo. Yeah, Yasin. Now I have an interesting activity and I want you to try to do it at home, and you're going to take a picture of it or a video and send it to me on Class Dojo in the science portfolio. You will need a black cardboard or canson sheet, as you see, a black cardboard or canson sheet, black, a pencil, and flashlight like this one. If you don't have this one, you can use the mobile phone, the flashlight of the mobile phone. And you're going to use the pencil to poke or make holes in the black sheet. And then you're going to use the flashlight at the back. What do you see now? I'm making what? This can be a model for what? Wow, I can see shiny things in the dark sky. These are, I'm gonna choose, raise your hands. You can answer it, Lana. Leila, where is Leila? Leila, I unmuted you, dear. So Leila, what do you see? This is a model for what? If this is the dark sky at night, so what do you see shining what?
A telescope.
Is this a telescope? You can see shiny dots in the dark sky, right? So this is a model for what? What are the shiny things in the sky?
Yes.
What are the shiny things in the sky? Huh?
Stars.
Sorry again?
Stars.
Stars. Excellent, ya Leila. So you're going to make
Stars.
stars. Excellent. Thank you so much. You're going to do a model of stars using the black. You have the instructions in the PowerPoint. You're going to use the black cardboard and make holes with a pencil in it, and then use the light or the mobile phone to make this and observe the shiny stars. It's really nice game. After this, let's wrap up because you also have homework or assignment in the book, and then you're going to take a picture of the 2 pages and send it to me on Class Dojo as well. I'm going to ask different questions. The first one, I am a tool. I make things look bigger. You can use me to observe things in the sky. What am I? I want those who didn't answer today. Kenzie. Kenzie ويحيى didn't answer. Okay, Kenzie. Kenzie? Kenzie. Huza. There is something wrong here. Kenzie. Kenzie, I kept on unmuting you, but there is something wrong. Like Khadija? Yes, Khadija? I am a tool. I make things bigger. I observe things in the sky. What am I? Yadija. Huh? That we picture. It's called?
ماما احنا فين؟
Yes, يا Khadija, answer me. I am a tool. I am a tool that makes things bigger. I'm used to observe.
Microscope.
Sorry again?
Microscope.
Telescope.
Lens.
Telescope. 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 Thank you, Khadija. The second one, stars are evenly spaced in the sky. True or false? Yeah. Esther. True or false?
What you said?
Stars, number 2, pay attention. Stars are evenly spaced in the sky. True or false? The stars are evenly spaced in the sky. True or false?
True.
They are evenly spaced. There is an equal space between stars. Are they making lines? Huh?
No.
Or they're just scattered and they're spread in the sky?
No, they are false.
They are?
They are away from each other. They are away from each other.
Okay, my question is the answer. Stars are evenly or equally spaced in the sky. True or false?
False.
Huh?
False.
False. Thank you. False. It's false. They are not evenly spaced. Evenly means equally. They're not equally spaced. Thank you. And I will choose Ruqayya. طيب Ruqayya, then Salim Taimur. Ruqayya. The blank is a large ball of rocks.
What?
The complete. The, as you see the question,
What?
can you see the question number 1 on page 301? Can you see it?
Okay.
All right. What is a large ball of rock? Sun or moon?
Moon.
Moon. Does moon give off light? Ruqayya?
No.
No, because it's a rock. It doesn't give off its own light.
No.
Thank you, Ruqa. Salim Taimur. Next, Salim Taimur. Salim, I'm gonna unmute you, ya Salim. Salim Taimur, a blank gives off its own light. Star or moon? What gives off its own light? Star or moon?
Star.
Star, excellent. Superstar. All right. Rahim, a blank is a tool for making things look bigger. Rahim, I'm unmuting you. Do not click on anything, please. I'm unmuting you. Yes, Rahim. Rahim, I kept on unmuting you, but there is something wrong. Farida Mahmoud, try to fix it, ya Rahim, please. Farida, a blank is a tool for making things look bigger.
Wrong.
Complete. A what is a tool for making things bigger? What makes things bigger?
A telescope.
A telescope. Excellent, Farida. A telescope. Lana, finished eating? Okay. Yasin, the blank is the star we see in the day. Star that we see in the day. Sun or moon?
Oh.
Again, Yasin?
Yeah.
What is the star that we see in the day? A big star that we see in the day. Sun or moon?
The yellow.
Sun
The
or
moon.
You see the moon in the day? Day means in the morning. What do you see in the day? Day means in the morning. Sun or moon?
Morning.
Sun or moon, ya Yasin? Yasino. Can you see this sentence? The what?
Sun.
The sun. Thank you so much. And finally, what It's a verb, which means to make things look bigger. A verb, which means make things look bigger. Yeah, Yusuf? What makes
What?
it again?
What?
Okay.
The last question. A verb, which means to make things look bigger.
Telescope.
A telescope. What does the telescope do? I'm not asking about the tool. I'm asking about a word, a verb, which means to make things bigger. Sun or star or magnify?
Magnify.
Magnify, thank you.
Magnify.
Bravo, thank you so much. And remember to do the puzzle assignment. So how many assignments do we have? We have 3 assignments. We have the activity, and send me a picture on Class Dojo. We have Edpuzzle. You find the link in the PowerPoint and the 2 pages that are in the book. All right. So any questions? If you have a question, raise your hand.
No.
No questions? Raise your hand if you have a question. Yes, Ruqayya has a question. Yes, go ahead, Ruqa.
My mom is not with me, so I don't know the pages.
The
What
pages?
is the pages? Yes.
All right. They are 300 and 301. 300 and 301.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Thank you, dear. Remember to do the assignments today after our session and send me on Class Dojo. Did all of you write your names here in the chat box?
Right, sir.
Remember to write your name
Right,
and
sir.
attendance.
Yes. Yes.
All right. Any questions? Any questions? Adam, because you didn't write your name, I didn't see you, Adam. Adam? Yes, you have a question, Adam.
Raise that hand.
Adam,
Yes.
Adam, I'll ask you a question. I cannot see you. Can you please turn on your camera? I miss you. I want to see you. Adam. Hello, dear. Can you tell me a name of a tool to observe stars in the sky? What can we use to see stars in the sky to make them bigger? We use a... Sorry?
Magnifying glass.
You say magnifying glass?
Magnifying glass.
To see the stars? No, what did we say? The magnifying glass can make things bigger, like small handwriting, small things to observe. But what about stars? We use something, special thing.
Telescope.
A telescope. Thank you. Adam? Thank you, everybody. Thank you for coming and listening. And I hope that you understood the lesson. Remember to do the assignments. And I'm going to unmute all of you to say bye.
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 Remember to write your name.
Dr. Saha.
Yes,
Dr. Saha.
yes, Zin.
I am. I will not gonna do the things now because my mom's not here.
All right, dear, I understand. It's okay. Take your time. It's okay. It's okay. And remember to do our interesting activity. It's fun. Can you see it? It's like shining stars. Right? All right. Thank you so much. Bye. Stay safe. Bye. Bye, everyone. Bye.